Here are all of my supplies to make my terrarium. I have a jar. I have a few wood chips, some small rocks, moss that I found outside, and a little bit of lichen. This is grown, usually you can find it on tree branches. And moss you can usually find on the ground. I also have a little ram. You don't have to have a little ram or an animal for your terrarium, but you can add one if you want. And I've got my spray bottle. So after you rinse off your rocks, I'm going to add them to the jar. Then comes your wood chips. You can also use a little bit of dirt if you don't have any wood chips. That works too. I don't think I'm going to use all my wood chips. I think that's enough. Then you're going to add your moss and your lichen. And then finally, if you have one, you can add your little animal. Then you're gonna spray with water. Lots of water in there. Moss and lichen love to be wet. So you're gonna spray lots of times and then put on your lid. And that's your terrarium. Here's one that I made at home. It's a big one. And I've been watching the moss and the lichen grow and grow. Oh, it's been really fun. Have fun making your own terrarium.